How much money did I make in 2021 on YouTube? So firstly, before we get into it, I just want to say thank you so much for everyone that's hit the like button, commented, subscribed, all of that good stuff. 2021 was the year that I got monetized. So very, very grateful to have got monetized. I've been making videos on YouTube since I was at school. I had another channel, but that's another story for another video. I'm going to break down exactly how much money I made on the platform because I'm excited to make this video in a year's time and show you the growth. And the reason I'm making this video is, especially when I was younger and I was trying to get into YouTube, looking at these type of videos from other people really did inspire me to take action. Even now, watching other people's videos of how much money they've made on YouTube and comparing it, listen, you don't want to compare yourself to people, but just seeing that proof of concept from other people definitely inspires me to continue making content. You know, seeing this exponential growth from people definitely inspires me to continue to make content, continue growing this channel. First thing you can see, I've got the YouTube eradicator. So this stops any new videos coming up on my home feed. In terms of focus, obviously we're big about self-development, entrepreneurship on this channel. So trying to get rid of distractions is hugely beneficial, especially when you're trying to create content. You don't want to just be consuming content, right? So when I go onto YouTube, I'm mainly just looking for something specific. I'm not going to see something on my homepage and be like, oh, I fancy watching that. I watch that video and 20 minutes has gone. Right. Anyway, let's get into the video. We're going to be doing this from 2021. So I got monetized on the 6th of January last year. So for the whole of 2021, I made £834.18, which is amazing to me. Obviously, it's not ridiculous amounts of money. However, for me, that is incredible. That I get paid for putting videos out that help people online is incredible, right? So I just want to break everything down a little bit. First things first, I just want to say, if we go back to the year before, so 2021, if we go custom and we go 2020, I made nothing, right? I got 72,000 views in 2020 and I made absolutely nothing. Gained 570 subscribers and made absolutely no money from anything. See the views here, pretty good. I was getting a lot more views back then as well per day, which is yeah, annoying. But look at all of this content I was putting out. I was putting out a lot of content, and that is obviously what drove the channel to get monetized. So going back a year before, 19, here I actually made 2p.
Oh my guys are ballers.
Right, so this was back before YouTube had certain requirements to get monetized. I made 2p. Looking back then, I got 2.7 thousand views in the whole year back in 2019, which same again is great. It just shows that growth of the channel. And you can see here how inconsistent I was with creating content back in 2019. And I'm gonna go back even one step further. I'm gonna go to 2018. 2019, you can see that I just kind of fell off, I suppose, in terms of creating content, and it obviously showed, right? So here I got 5.5 thousand subscribers at 5.5 thousand views. This was like back when I was working in the gym, and you can see I was kind of like putting in work, and I was probably averaging like, I don't know, 20 views a day, dropping down even to like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is really cool for me to see, like just seeing this progression, right? And you can see, oh look, I earned 21p that year, which is amazing. Honestly, back then I wasn't even thinking about YouTube for making money. You can clearly tell, like I was just making videos because I enjoy making videos. Like that is why I started this channel. It's what I love the most out of everything, is just creating content and documenting what I'm doing and hopefully providing some value as I do it. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Gained 489 subscribers that year, which is cool. Right, so going back to 2021, last year was the first year that I actually made some money from the platform. So I'm excited to see this number grow and obviously see the channel grow this year as well. So looking a little bit deeper into the revenue that was driven. So let's go into revenue and let's actually break down where that £834 came from, right? So you can see that my RPM was £13.37, which is pretty high, to be fair, if you're looking at it from like a YouTube perspective. So that's pretty cool. But if we have a look at it, you can see my monthly estimated revenue. We can see that my highest earning month was actually February, so the month after I got monetized, and then after it's probably like 50, 60, 70, 80 pounds, probably average, I'd say averaging like £60 a month, which really isn't that bad whatsoever in my opinion. You can see my top earning videos. So my top earning videos for 2021, the top earning video was how to set up recurring payments on Stripe, which has earned £396, which is cool. That was literally a video I made to help a client. Like they was asking asking me how to do it, and I just shot the video, sent it over to them. Instead of sending it over to them, I recorded it and said, look, I'll put it onto my YouTube channel. If you've asked me the question, I would imagine that other people potentially want to know the answer to that question as well. And also the same with the two after it as well. So how to record a podcast on Zoom, same again. It was a question that one of my clients was asking me, and I just thought, you know what, let me film it as a YouTube video, upload it there. If you're asking a question, I would assume other people want to know it as well. The one underneath that is how to set up recurring payments on PayPal. And you can see that a majority of the income I generated from YouTube come from 3, 4, 5 videos. Everything else is like really low, earning like £1, 98p, but it obviously accumulates, right? So look, this motivates me so much to just keep creating content. That growth, right? It's not a lot of money whatsoever. However, looking back at the years that I was creating content and literally getting paid nothing for it, definitely inspires me. Like I said, I created this video simply because I've watched videos of other people that are generating thousands, if not millions of pounds. You go look at like Graham Stephan, other people like that they show their analytics and they're literally generating £250,000 in revenue just from their YouTube channel. Watching those type of videos inspires me. So look, there might be someone there that's not even started a YouTube channel, and by seeing my revenue driven, that £834, in my opinion, that's a lot more realistic to someone that's not started a YouTube channel versus looking at someone like that where you're like, it's so far gone that it's hard for you to imagine you in those shoes. Now I'm looking at those type of things and thinking, okay, cool, like that's achievable simply because got that proof of concept from actually generating some revenue through YouTube now. So if it was interesting to you, go and check out this video. I'll talk about my YouTube setup, how I create videos at the moment. I'll see you in that one, guys. Take care. Have a good day. Have a good 2021, actually. It's gonna be a good damn year.